Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. When the term intolerance of uncertainty is used, it is mainly to describe a person's lack of inclination or fear of embracing the inherent uncertainty of life. It is an inclination to reject having no concrete plans, unexpected situations, unexpected events, and even the unexpected emergence of certain information. People who are intolerant of uncertainty are those who need predictability in everything, from what they do and what could happen to them and those around them. If you are a mental health care professional handling a patient who has anxiety or an anxiety disorder, or if they seem to have an intolerance for uncertainty based on your sessions with them, you can use the Intolerance of Uncertainty Scale to gauge their level of intolerance. To use our free Intolerance of Uncertainty Scale, follow these steps. Download our Intolerance of Uncertainty Scale from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. It can be used in two ways. You can use a scale and instruct your patients to answer when you read out each item. The answers are preset for the scale, so they just need to select the appropriate answer. Or you can hand the Intolerance of Uncertainty Scale to your patient and have them answer it on their own time. Here are some of the items that they have to answer. Uncertainty stops me from having a firm opinion. My mind can't be relaxed if I don't know what will happen tomorrow. Uncertainty makes me uneasy, anxious, or stressed. To answer these, they simply need to pick from the following answers. There are 27 items in total. The scoring for the scale is based on two factors. Factor 1 is the uncertainty has negative behavioural and self-referent implications, and Factor 2 is uncertainty is unfair and spoils everything. Here is a sample of our Intolerance of Uncertainty Scale, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Intolerance of Uncertainty Scale, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a range of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.